Hello. We group one today. We go present about the temperature probe in geothermal field using artificial neural network. This is our group member. This is our topic. The first one is material and method. The second one is what is ANN. The third one is statistical accuracy measurement. And the fourth one is result and discussion. For material and method, we're gonna talk about the thermal sensor. This measurement sensor is based on Arduino microcontroller, which is determine temperature in each deep with press sensor every 1 centimeter. Deep up to 2 meter, there are 21 sensors detecting temperature using Wi-Fi to setting data and store data on the micro SD. That make it easier to retrieve data in still area. So this is how the system will look like from the outside.
Artificial neural network is formed by several neurons as an information processing unit serving as the basis for the operation of a function. Artificial neural network is one of the optimization methods that can predict and explain the nonlinear relationship between input and output to find pattern in the data. It can reduce linearity error from sensor reading and more accessible than numerical method. For the equation, it is hyperbolic tangent function, where g of z is a hyperbolic tangent function, where z is the input to the activation function, exp is the exponential function. The value of the interaction between the neuron in the artificial neural network determine the output, which take the shape of a certain input pattern by have three layers, which is input, hidden, and output layer. The artificial neural network will solve the complex problem using appropriate value between neurons in the different layers.
The statistical accuracy measurement. The accuracy of forecasting result is a measurement of forecasting error, indicating the degree difference between the result of demand forecasting and demand happen. There are four equations to measurement for this study. First is about the mean absolute percentage error. It is a relative determination model. Secondly is the root mean square error. It is square root of mean square error. The third is mean square error. It is the error value obtained from the average square of subtraction between actual value and estimated value. And the fourth is the mean absolute deviation. It is the sum of absolute difference between actual and estimated value divided by the number of observations. The variable of these four equations are at equal to actual and ft equal to forecast. Continue with this slide. It is flowchart of this study.
Artificial neural network is a best predict temperature in the geosmics, depth, conductivity, and the resistivity modeling is the input. Humidity temperature is the output in the table 1. Neurons temperatures and is a table 2. Neurons humidity is a table 3. Those built from the actual sensors. And we can help to construct with the artificial neural networks to build it with the 3 input layer, 5 hiding layer, and the 3 output layer to obtain the predict temperature with the table 4 and the predict humidity with the table 5. And we can combine the actual temperature and the actual with the predict temperature to get the table 6.
For the conclusion, the artificial neural network model with the backpropagation method can be applied in predicting the temperature of the subsurface using a temperature probe with the depth of 2 meters. First, ANN model show that the multi-layer net model with the 352 architecture give the most optimum with the hyperbolic tangent function with the value in the above table. For the actual temperature and temperature predict value are obtained by the linear regression equation. It can be interpreted that the prediction value using artificial neural network is very accurate and relationship of both variables are very strong. For the last statistic test process to obtain accuracy and precision from the optimization resulting by using this formula, which has a very small error and good level of accuracy and precision. Thank you.